The product of two positive numbers is 624. If the ratio of sum of their cubes to their sum is 628 is to 1, then the sum of two numbers is. Okay, so I'm assuming those numbers to be x and y. Product of these numbers is given as 624. We are given the ratio of sum of their cubes, that is x cube plus y cube, divide by their sum, that is x plus y, and this ratio is given as 628 upon 1. Okay, so we are given this x into y and we are given this ratio, right? What can we think from now? Right at the moment, what can we think? Oh, so I know about x cube plus y cube. It's an identity, right? I know a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. So, I can write this a cube plus b cube in terms of a plus b, that is x plus y. So, my first thought, my first trigger has to be just to replace this x cube plus y cube by this identity, right? So, I can write x cube y cube to be how much? X plus y whole cube minus 3 times xy, x plus y upon x plus y, correct? And from here, I can cancel out some x plus y, right? So if I take x plus y common, I'm left with x plus y whole square minus 3xy, correct? So it would be x plus y whole square minus 3 times xy. And we have in denominator x plus y. So what can I do is, now I can cancel out x plus y and x plus y because x and y are two positive numbers and the sum cannot be equal to 0. So it can be cancelled out. So I have x plus y whole square minus 3xy is 628. And now we are given this, we have already given this product, that is 624. Now I have this, the x plus y whole square is 628 plus 3 times this product, that is 624. So 628 plus 3 times 1800 and 72. 72, 28 is 1900 plus 600 would be 2500. Correct? And that is sum whole square. We have to find the sum of two numbers. The sum of these two numbers would be x plus y would be 50 because I'm ignoring the negative 50 because these are two positive numbers and whole sum of these numbers has to be positive. So the sum of these two numbers would be 50. Option C is the correct answer.